What time is it? It's breakfast time. Okay, it's in the morning. Well, it's not actually now, but let's pretend it is. And you want to make a quick breakfast. And you have some eggs at home and you want to eat poached egg, but you don't want to boil it in a hob because it would take forever. Probably like 15 minutes. Okay, not. Because you got to boil water, boil the egg, and cool it down and all that. So, what's the quick way of making poached egg, guys? First, you gotta grab an egg. Let's pretend, well, let's use this egg. Here we go. And now, what we need to do is get a bowl, fill it up with cold water to about 80% full. Make sure it's big enough to fit the egg, obviously. You don't want to spill it or whatever. And we crack it open. What's the next step? Well, you will need a microwave. If you don't have a microwave, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. You're gonna have to boil it like the normal people in a traditional way. So let's put this in the microwave. And depending on the microwave that you have, the power will be different, but let's say we put it for a minute. Usually a minute is good, but if it's stronger or it's weaker, usually it would take between 50 to about 70-80 seconds. Also, it depends on how firm you want your eggs to be. And I'll come back once it's finished. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Oh. Okay, just a few seconds and we have our eggs ready. Well, let's hope it's ready. Sometimes you might need to add extra 10 or 20 seconds. Okay, there we are. Hello, poached egg. If you want it a bit firmer, do an extra 10 seconds. If you think this is good, then take it out. Sometimes you can see how the egg white's kind of like floating here and there. I think it looks pretty decent, so let's put it on a plate and get rid of the excess water. Oh my god, it's hot. Okay. So we have our plate, and you probably need a slotted spoon, something like that to, oh, oops, it's still a bit too watery, but that's okay. I like it fluid, kind of like that. You know what, no, let's put another 10 seconds. It's a bit too soft. Okay, I'll see you in 10 seconds, thanks. Sometimes if you worry the bottom might be a bit too hot, you can lower the power to, I don't know, 80, 60, whatever. And do it for 10 seconds each time. Just so you're not overcooking it. Well, unless you want to eat like hard-boiled egg, that would produce similar thing. Okay, that looks about like it. And let's take it out. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, poached egg. I know it's a bit watery, but just get rid of the excess water. It's a minute. What are you expecting? Okay, still a little bit too watery. Let's do it again. Adding another 10 seconds. Guys, this is trial and error, and that's how you know your microwave is working, alright? Every microwave is different. I'm just gonna do it at full power, and I'll do it for, oops, full power for another 10 seconds. As I was saying, this is a trial and error. You gotta know how your microwave works just like yourself. So yes, let's see. Does it look a bit more alright? I mean, everything is just right. And let's take it out and check it. Well, the next time you know how long it would take to make a poached egg. I mean, I'll do another 10 seconds, I think. Okay, sometimes it will take between 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. I wasn't lying, but I was just Euro testing it out to see how it works. Another 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm not editing this video as well, so I'm sorry if it's taking too long. But we have a few more seconds to wait, and then we should be able to get the egg. Oh, hello. Well, please be ready, otherwise it's gonna be too embarrassing. Okay, here we are. We have our poached egg. I know it looks a bit deformed, but you know, if you want a quick breakfast. Okay, I lose a lot of egg. That's probably not a good idea, but alright. You get the idea. Just use the microwave when you're lazy and it's quick and easy. And inside is still runny, okay? This is great. I like my water intake. So I'm gonna have the poached egg with the excess water. Well, obviously you can dry it a bit more if you don't like it. Well, yeah, now I should toast the bread. But yeah, that's it. That's how you make a poached egg in about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. So yeah, bye. I'm just showing you guys that I'm actually eating this egg. I just made that look very runny. You know what? It tastes great. Okay, it's excess protein. I mean extra protein. Look at that yummy runny egg. It is good. And you can always dip the egg yolk with bread. So yeah, extra tips for you guys. Okay, yeah, I'm not lying. You just gotta try it out and see what time works for your eggs. So try it out, guys. Bye.